Nagulat kami pagbalik, si Mara na lang nandun. Wala na si Mami Bel.
Enjoy, Mom. We love you.
And of course, when she came back and her mom wasn't with us, syempre, we knew something was up.
What I made. So, yun, pagdating ko sa camp, si Gina yung unang-una akong kinausap.
Enjoy everything. And you also everyone? Can you sit down? Okay.
Well, akong pinagkakatiwalaan ko talaga noon, si Mara. Si Mara talaga. Dahil parang napansin ko talaga na sincere siya.
So, nalabas ni Richard dalawang immunity bracelet for me and mom. Pero, if you take it, you have to separate.
Kapag tinanggap niyo to, kailangan magkahiwalay kayo ng tribe.
It's not bad for the group, right? Sabi ni Mommy, kunin na natin so I can weaken the other tribe from the inside.
When you have the immunity basically now, what's with her? You have two.
She has one.
She has one. You don't have.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, of course, syempre, pagka may problema yan, pagka pumunta kami tribal council, tapos couples yung eliminate, syempre, since may immunity si Mara, ang problema namin ni Casey doon is, syempre, baka yung Volcanoes might vote against me or Casey. Kasi they can't vote they can't vote Mara off.
Before we accepted it, nag-pray talaga kami ni Mommy para to make the right decision.
Tumatakbo tong group na to dahil sa trust niya.
Yun, parang nakaka-disappoint kasi syempre, I mean, maybe nga nakatulong nga si tita na sa kabila, pero naging problema naman sa amin yung bracelet na immunity na nakuha ni Mara.
You know, just take it and just be honest with everyone. The question that I want to ask you is, ano ba yung gusto mong gawin sa immunity bracelet?
I was injured that time dahil nga doon sa paddle game na yan. Namatay pa yung kuko ko. So, I was injected with anesthesia. They took off the nail.
Kahit di nanalo sa reward, ito, okay lang, happy pa rin. It's amazing. Amazing feeling. Pagdating dito, tulong-tulong magsaing, manguhuli ng mga crabs, and okay na.
Yan, huwag ka sa tubig, madali. Pagdating namin dito, kanya-kanyang trabaho na ulit. Kami ni Betong, sinubukan namin ulit manghuli ng mga crabs. Parang okay din yon kasi yung moment namin dalawa yon.
Oh, kung meron silang dalawang lapu-lapu, aba meron tayong dalawang crab.
Confirmed. Nakakagulat.
Pag sinabi ko, oh my gulay, this is not amazing.
Dumating siya, parang talagang yung kinilabutan ako na tinanggap na. Oh my gosh.
Kilo, best friend ng Lotamo.
Her presence there is very draining eh.
Panalo to. Oo, medyo gulo to kasi alam kong hindi sila gusto ng girls. Kasi tita kasi minsan humihirit sa game eh. Parang nagpaparinig.
Our team was perfect as it is. We didn't need someone else in the mix, especially someone as interesting as her.
No, hindi yan visitor. Permanent resident na yan. Hindi yan visitor, permanent resident na yan. Parang ganyan yung in-offer sa amin. Hindi niya alam na in-offer na sa amin yun. Mas lalong hindi niya alam na kinuwento namin ni Angelica sa tribe namin yung totoo at yung kondisyon nung temptation.
Ang dami namin pagkain. Galit na galit nga ako eh.
Sabi ko, akin to, pagkain ko to.
Oo nga.
Sabi ko, pakainin niyo muna ako, wag niyo akong basta tinatapon.
Sino yung shuffle? Automatic na pumasok sa isip namin kanina na eto siguro yung temptation na kinuha nila kanina.
Dito ka na, tita.
Ay, ano pa nga ba? Gusto ko nga makasama kay anak ko eh. Kaya nga ako nandito para kay Mara, tapos pinaghiwalay kami.
So, ano daw may sinabi sila kung sino ipapalit?
Hindi ko alam, pero wala. May feeling lang ako kung paano ginagawa nila. Guys, sorry, I'm here, ha?
Don't be sorry. It's not your choice.
It's not my choice, but...
Yeah, it's not our choice too.
Well, she talks a lot, and she has a little bit of foot and mouth disease, but I don't know, but she's also kind of smart, so she's interesting. A very hard read.
I know, but you gotta deal with it because it's what happened.
You got the temptation reward? Like, she's a disease.
Pinaghiwalay kami ng anak ko. That's why I'm here. And it's time for a tribal shuffle. Kayo din, papipiliin din kayo. Hi, I'm here! Sorry to intrude. I meant no harm.
Siyempre, kinakailangan pag-iisipin mo rin sila. Sinasaiwar ko lang naman sila eh.
Kailan yung tribal shuffle? Ha? Kailan yung tribal shuffle?
Umpisa na.
Like when?
Pag na-drain sila mentally ng kakaisip, it can take its toll in their minds, in their health, in their emotions.
I don't know if I should say. Maybe I'll tell Isabel muna. Kasi hindi ko kayo kakilala. Si Isabel lang kilala ko, tsaka si Chucky. Pwede ba can I talk muna dun sa... Kasi I know na pwede niyo ako imaltrato. Pwede niyo ako tarayan gaya ng ginagawa nitong babaeng to. I don't wanna be here at all.
It's a game.
I don't wanna be here in Survivor at all. Give me a break.
Then quit.